All right, let me get you detained real quick there, Cheddar. Try anything, I'm gonna shoot you in this courtroom in front of everybody.
Yeah, I get it.
That would be some shit. Be witnesses.
Stop resisting, motherfucker!
Oh shit!
You think I'm kidding, Cheddar? You think I'm fucking kidding?
Oh god damn! It's over. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Good.
God damn! Oh! Oh!
Back the fuck!
Oh!
Back the fuck up!
He needs help!
Back the fuck up!
He needs help!
Back the fuck up!
Oh shit! Back up! Back up! Everybody back up! Everybody back up!
Back the fuck
Oh
up!
shit!
Help me down!
Oh shit!
Back the fuck up!
I'm gonna pull mine just in case.
Ow!
Get the oh!
Oh my god! It's oh my
Oh shit!
Oh god damn! Careful! Oh god damn! Yo, keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
Oh, no,
Just keep your hands up!
Dan, is there a robe in your locker right now?
No, there is not.
Fucking robe with a cone hood. What the?
Oh my god!
Dan,
Yeah,
Maybe he likes
that's
that
like
movie.
Cosplay of Harry Potter, okay?
There's a fucking name.
What?
There's a
Well,
name
none of
tag in
them
there
wear
that's got
white,
something to do
though,
with
Dan.
wizardry.
Wizard,
So
okay?
I
I'm a
mean,
wizard. I like being a wizard.
what level wizard are you, Dan?
Yeah, that was
Okay, let's again.
Oh no!
That's not what I
Oh
mean.
no!
That's not what I mean. I mean a
Too late.
Harry Potter.
What
Harry
the
Potter.
fuck?
Harry
Sure.
Potter. Okay.
I think it's
I bet
a
he's
brand
saying
wizard.
Harry Potter over and over
submit
again.
to being the grand
Skinny
wizard?
fuck.
Dan, let's just have you 10-3 for now. This is just safe for Twitch. Okay. Oh, damn. You gotta work out this gluteus maximus. Push it. One. Yeah, it's alright. I'll take my lo-fi, dude.
There's a dog in the back.
Strength.
Bowser, I'll fight you!
Relax back there, dog, or we're gonna fucking clap you, bitch.
Go. Strength.
Let's go clap him. You fully armored?
Yeah. Full. Let's go.
Okay, I can't hear. I'm gonna kill this fucking dog.
Okay, let's snipe here. I get all their sheep. Let's go back for Eugene.
Fucking dog, bitch.
Die! Oh, good shit. Thank God for that. I thought he'd fuck you. Finesse.
I'll take
It's
an
gonna be
SMS. Fuck it.
SNS onlys for a couple weeks. Well, I don't have any right now, but I need to buy some.
Gotcha. All right. Let me know when you buy some. All right.
Yeah, chat, but you guys are being
Alright,
too much
we'll
RP critics right now, man. Just relax, dude. Whatever RP comes our way, the RP comes our way.
Even
We'll
if KJ's
roll with it and
around?
hopefully have fun, man. Stop being so negative about everything.
No idea. Not a clue. We just wiped the whole PD 3 on 8.
Good shit.
Oh.
And if it's not the RP... Dude, Vinny is a god tier, like, businessman. I bet you this guy, IRL, can sell you a fucking broken pen, bro.
Cover some IFACs?
Yeah, let's go to Mission Row PD. I'll grab some from the evidence locker.
Y'all, Prison Nate, thank you for the
Like another balloon color vehicle involved. Multiple shots fired. They're going
Treddy.
up Los Angeles City, currently northbound.
I'm not in your way.
Continue to shoot.
Yes, you are. You're literally right in front of me, dude.
It took the UTL on them.
I got.
Treddy.
How's the bus?
Bus is lower pillbox. I believe we're all code 4 with the bus at the moment.
You fucking dumbass.
Get hit by.
Give it a minute. I think we have an injured 95 that got shot.
There's no truck.
That's why it's just this 238
I'm going
Treddy
to bed.
walked into traffic and he got ran over.
I'm going to bed. I don't want to do this
Yeah,
anymore.
let's go ahead and just block the street off for now.
Copy. Where are
You're so dumb.
the sedan?
Get out of the way, boxer.
Copy that.
Just run
Name's
him over.
Bowser, not Boxer. Maybe that's
Same
why.
thing.
It's not.
Yeah,
Oh.
fucking, you can
This
flip it
Baxter,
with us.
I'm
in
gonna
it.
need some EMS assistance standing in the
You can flip
I'm
us.
flying,
You can flip
boys.
us.
I'm flying.
Fly.
EMS was standing by the entrance, so once it's ready, they'll roll in.
Boy. Hey, yo,
Are you
boy.
okay?
Yo, good thing. I'm doing this, boy. Like, come on now, boy. Come on, boy. What's that, boy? Oh, shit. He's fucking got. Yeah, I bet, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy.
Shut the fuck up. I need to go back to see the doctor. I'm waiting.
What the fuck is this?
Hey! I got a hostage! I got a fucking hostage! I demand free passage! I demand free passage for my hostage! I demand free passage, no spike strips! And I won't. Alright, hold on, I'm not gonna use my radio. I'm not gonna use my radio. Free passage, no spike strips.
17, 23.
410, there's a bunch of people with guns off of Haywick Avenue. Where the fuck are you? Where are you?
Out, right fucking out.
Into the trailer park, Copper.
Oh, I guess he's not here.
We're heading towards the other units.
And towards you guys. This guy's coked out. I'm just gonna stay mobile. He's to your left now, southbound.
Yeah, copy that. That's fine.
I can see somebody in a bush right there.
No one knows where that right there is.
It's right by the two trailers. It's the one closest in the middle.
Southbound smoke shooter.
They shot at you. Where is he? Shoot at him.
In the middle one, right there.
Okay, where is right there? Oh, he's not here.
No, go around the other side of the tree. I can't see him.
Yeah, I saw one.
Alright, got one down.
10-4 Copper. He's heading inside that building, continuing southbound now.
Get him cuffed up.
Pretty. I'm gonna go back them up real quick.
Listen, we have one down.
No, he's inside the building. Still inside the building.
Yeah, he's hiding behind this.
Brace yourself, please, man.
Rami,
Go calm him down, Chang.
don't cry when you hear this, but
He's gonna break.
get some
tissues, man. Rami. Pat you back.
Your girl got kidnapped and fucking burned alive and shot and stabbed and beaten. Your girl
She's in
Alessandra,
ICU.
she's in ICU.
Oh God, oh God. I'm sorry, bro.
I'm sorry,
They
man.
fucked her.
I think they actually don't know shit, chat. I think the one's a prospect and this guy, I think he just rolls around with girls all day.
Fuck y'all. Y'all don't even know what you're fucking doing.
Hold on, almost done. Gotta get this B in there.
Fuck.
Almost done.
Every time I see him, he's just with girls. I never see him with the actual gang. Fuck, dude, the two we get literally know nothing.
Hey, we good. We're good here. Hey, what's that smell, man? Oh, that's that motherfucking skin. Sounds like motherfucking roast beef, baby. Yeah. Ooh, he gonna burn. Oh, he cooking. Oh, he cooking. Ooh. Oh, shit, man.
You don't want to do this? You don't want to do this?
Oh my God!
Uncuffed. She's got uncuffed. You don't want to do this?
Got one more. We got going in.
She's behind the heli. Behind the heli. Let's just step down from the ledge.
Get this on tape, bruh.
Did she jump off?
Right here.
You got it. Uh-oh, might be too fast. Oh my God.
You know, they come before anyone, you know, but I I don't know. I feel different with you. You know?
Oh.
I feel like, I don't know, there's been a spot in my heart that's been open, you know? And whenever we hang out, I don't know. I've always...
Pago. Yeah, Pago. There you go. Yeah, Pago. 100%. 100%. That's a Pago.
I'll have a meeting.
So we should have that meeting with Cheddar to find out what else he knows, because we're very close to figuring out exactly who it is. So hopefully his last insight can connect those dots, you know?
Yeah.
So what happened? Where's your daddy at, boys?
What'd you say, Conan? What did you say?
I asked where your dad was at.
Yo, where's your daddy at, boys? What's the next plan?
All right, number one's going off.
Yo, chill.
What'd you say?
Bro, I'll escort you right now. If you take me with you, bro.
Chill. What did you say?
I say, where's your boy at?
Please,
Papa,
Mass
what
Vinny
did he say?
Pistone.
I said...
He was asking where your dad was at.
No, I didn't. Shut the fuck up, Copper.
How was that?
Yo,
How
what
was
the
that
fuck?
bad thing?
Oh, fuck, bro.
Pin it.
Pin it to, don't forget it.
What about
ever.
the S&S pistols? Did we sell all those?
Nobody wants that garbage, but I sold 5.
I'm sorry.
I sold 5 too. I haven't since.
Well, there you go.
Apples.
What do you mean nobody wants? You can't say no one wants this garbage, but
I had to beg. I had to beg.
Sometimes you have to beg, August.
You're getting junk to move.
Someone told me it didn't
You're
do
getting
enough
junk.
damage. What do you want from me?
What does that even mean?
That guy was insane. I don't know what. It's a gun. It's a gun. Why don't people want gun? Listen, all I'm saying is Teabag said he can get me another shipment, and it comes with extended mags for the S&S pistols.
Get any more S&Ss.
I think. What do you mean?
Why
Listen,
don't you try and talk to Teabag?
Don't get any
Hey!
more.
Mike, where are you?
Listen. I'm actually in the helicopter, and you fucked with Sun Moon, so I have to do this. Eastside Baller Gang, don't get it twisted, homie.
What? Nuh-uh. Shit. Nuh-uh.
What's happening? I'm confused.
What the fuck? What is going on? Oh my fucking god. 50 grand.
I'm not.
And this will all go away. You
What
piece of
did you just
shit.
say? What did you just say?
We can settle.
For how much?
What?
How much?
I already told you.
Well, how much is it?
You know what? 100 grand.
All right, bribery charge as well. You're a witness to that, Judge Stan.
How's that bribery? I'm
I
gonna
witnessed it.
sue you.
I witnessed it.
You're basically saying
you literally said 50 grand and all this goes away. That's not how the way you should go.
Is that not how settling works?
No, that's not.
How should I
That's
know?
not how that works.
That's not how that works. At
I
all,
want
you
to. I meant I want to
fucking
settle.
Mannequin
You know
arms,
what?
bitch.
$100,000 right now.
Wow. Oh, what?
Settle.
So are you still continuing to bribe me?
We do. Well, I guess chat while we're sitting here laying on our ass. Catch up on some ads, so we'll be right back, dude.
Oh shit!
Oh my god! Oh shit! What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? He came back with a cement truck, dude! Oh, he's dead. Like, what happened? Oh my god! If it makes a right, it's
Sure, what is
HOA.
going on?
I'm saying I'm gonna put every dollar I owe on every car I have on the fact that this is an HOA operation.
SPBX. What's an HOA?
Hogs of Anarchy, Homeowners Association.
The Spanish guy on the bike.
Exactly. Hey!
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
What's up, Mel?
I fucking knew it. I knew it. What the hell are you doing?
We're transporting this bad boy.
Where's it going?
Well, we're just kind of staging, you know, so we're taking it around, just seeing where it fits.
I can't wait to find out where it fits. I can't wait to see what the fuck you have planned for this.
You guys can...
Hey, you like when your ass is hurt?
No, I just like this position of power that I feel right now. Like, I feel like I can demote you.
Okay, but you can't.
You're demoted.
Okay, but that's not really how it
Back
works.
to cadet, you are.
Not even... Okay, so you want me to go back to the time where I was actually investigating you and stopping what you were doing? Because I could...
Yes, actually.
Oh, okay, well, I'll keep that in... Alright, well, okay.
Together. Going in for cuffs. We're really tying her up here. There we go. Nice. Double cuff. Get the fuck back here. Are you sure? No. Get the fuck back here.
Leave me alone.
Taser Coop.
Leave me alone.
You're gonna get a total of 2 chances, I swear to God. The fuck back here. Oh, you're lucky.
Cover.
I fell down.
Wait, what?
I fell down. I'm cuffing her. I'm going in for cuffs. I'm cuffed. God damn it.
420.
Look.
47.
No, look. Put me down, you fucking idiot. God damn it. I don't know. Ah!
414-195. Ziggy just got ran over. I'm still on foot, Mel. We're going northbound. Come into these buildings.
No, you little shit. Get the fuck out of here, Bulbasaur. Fuck up. Back the fuck up. Where's my... Wait, what are you doing? No. No, what are you doing? Is he stealing my truck in his confusion? Wait, no. No, I have a potion. No, wait.
We're gonna be continuing on foot past the skate park.
God damn it, Petey, what are you doing? No.
Down to the canals, following the
Petey.
gentleman in gray with red shoes.
God damn it. What are you doing? Go back over there and fuck him up.
Okay.
Where are you
It's
going?
gonna be entering the residential area.
What did they give you?
Colors. Lots of colors.
Oh, I see.
420, you guys.
Yes.